Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious homemade whipped cream. It's surprisingly simple and tastes so much better than store-bought versions. First, gather your ingredients. 1 cup of very cold heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Also, make sure your mixing bowl and whisk attachment are chilled for about 15 minutes. This preparation ensures the best possible results for light and airy whipped cream. Now let's get to the fun part, whipping. Start by pouring your chilled heavy cream into the cold bowl. Begin whipping on a medium-low speed to incorporate some air. As the cream starts to thicken, gradually increase your mixer's speed to medium-high. Keep an eye on the consistency. You're looking for soft peaks to just begin forming, which means it's almost perfect. With those lovely soft peaks forming, it's time to add the sweetness and flavor. Slowly sprinkle in your 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar while the mixer is still running. Then, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that classic, comforting taste. Continue whipping until stiff peaks form, meaning the cream holds its shape firmly. Be careful not to overmix, or it could turn grainy. Your homemade whipped cream is now ready to enjoy. For the best texture and flavor, I recommend serving it immediately over your favorite desserts. If you happen to have any leftovers, simply transfer them to an airtight container and store them in the refrigerator. When properly stored, your delicious whipped cream will typically stay fresh and delightful for about 2 to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.